Words are not enough for me to say thank you. Irazuno gagbe, eri seme yakpomo o baba. Irarowe o baba ti raji mome. Ese no me o. Irazeta wete degbe. Ugba ore me, umare gi obegi agba me. Usibe kekbe o, umare ge mosono. Emi ya nari ya nyagbona, babaru de na ya o. Ru de na ya o. Give me big o. If I count my blessings and name them one by one, Iga when it say no say ume iga zeta te degbe. If I should remember the good things that the Lord has done for me, Rude na ya o, give me big o. Words are not enough for me to say thank you. Igazunu gagbe, egiseme yakbomo. Igarowe o, baba ti gaji more. Ese no me o, igazeta wete degbe. I'm so happy today. If I say make I begin they sing, I go sing. I'm not going to even remember to talk with I want to talk again. I'm so happy. I really like what God do for me. So even me myself, I don't know how to thank God. I've been monetized. My people. The journey not easy for this YouTube. The journey is not easy. My people, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I've been monetized at last. My people. You know, when I start this YouTube, many of my friends, they run away from me. There was like, what did this one they do? What did they do for YouTube? Because people they go YouTube, she wants to go. I can't continue. I did one. Even the one when me call my own best friend self, she not able to share my video. To talk close of say she want even wash. I was like, I'll just the look and show for my president they wash other people video. My own, you know, they wash because what did she want wash and for? Because she know me now. What this one they do for YouTube? She they commonize my video. They, you know, I see continue. I did do one because why I did talk this story so that make another person, if you know say your mind there to do something, not look what people go talk not look what people go talk, not look maybe you want to do something, your friend will come tell you say you can't discourage you. Not allow your friend discourage you, my dear, because you don't know whether or there your blessing day. You don't know where your blessing day, my dear. Don't let anybody discourage you for anything. If you want to do something, just do them as you see your mind tell you say do them. Because if you follow friends, you know if you do it you want to do, my dear. Because my own, I said many of my friends they run away from me. They're not gonna evil. The one with me even call my own friend where they, you know they even share my video. You know they even share and give you friends. I'll see they tell them sometimes use laugh out the place here. You know they able to share my video at all. The way she was able to respond, I just look at. I'll just laugh. I was saying, and I saw life be my people. But you see my friend. I get one friend. That's my friend there. God, oh, I don't know how to thank her. That my friend. She did UK. You they watch me now, you know yourself, but I don't want to call your name for you. That my friend, hey, God, oh. In fact, that one is my sister from another mother. Now so she go they share them. Now so she go to share my video. She go to share and give your friends. I beg, Mona subscribe. Oh. This my friend just start to Mona subscribe. Oh. Mona subscribe. I was just the surprise. Eh? I even the thing maybe she not go even like what I they do, but she love am. She go to give me. She go to encourage me. Man, they do more. Sometimes I'll say, I beg, I don't tire. I won't even give up for the YouTube self. She go say, no, continue. No worry, continue. No worry. No look at the people they talk. I'll still say, okay, oh, no problem. I'll still continue. Then another of my friend they gay, where they equally. Now Igbo girl. She know herself too. You they watch me now, but you know yourself. That's my friend. No. She go they share they share my video. They others are where they far place, so they share my video. The one where they with me for a year for my city, yeah. She know they help me, they share them. Talk less of say she won't even wash. She didn't even force herself to watch my video. That's the person I call my own friend. You know. God go bless you now. Those my friends and my fans and people when they subscribe for me. God go bless you now. God go bless you now for me. Una really try for me, not be small. Una really try for me, not be small. Una try. Yeah? Una really try. As in, I for te do one. I for te do one me. Yeah? I for te do one. I beg una try for me, oh. My fans, my friends will come they carry my videos, they go they wash and say you must get this wash shower. My you can't see get another WhatsApp group when I can't day again. Those one they can't just finish the work for me. Eh? God, I for they do this YouTube. If they not support me, I will for they do one. My people. God will bless you now for me. Now wanna give me encouragement. Now wanna make me strong. Say continue. I'm about to speak Dutch. I don't feel speak on my dear. They say continue. Not let anybody bring you down. Continue. They do am. I say okay, oh. Now they do am. They do am. They do am. I say my YouTube don't they go 1 year. Don't they go 1 year. I can't have to tell the WhatsApp group in there. I can't have to tell them, say, I beg you, see you. They can't say, really? They can't try all of them. God will bless you for me. The one where they watch, go they watch. The one where they can't they watch my video every minute. So that make the 4,000 watch hour make it complete. So that make they don't bring this channel down. My friends too. All of them. And so they go they do them. And so they go they wash. And so they go they do them. Huh? God, I for te do one. I for te do one. My friends, where they no. They too try for me. They too try for me. Eh? They too try for me. God will bless them for me. And my Lady T, true dream with Lady T. She was there for me. Now she even give me the encouragement. Say, oh yeah, this YouTube, do one. She encouraged me. She really ginger me. Say make I do one, you know. When I want you to start at the beginning. And she just tell me, say, do one, not worry, you feel do I say you sure. If I do video, I'll see sure and say I do one where you go say you do one. That's small, you know. So God will bless you for me, my Lady Tish. God will continue to bless you for me, my people. I'll be monetized, oh, it's not easy, oh, because people be the feel say I not go feed do am, but God come say, now lie, my daughter, you must do am, don't worry. I did your bag, the bar. That is why that song, I know they ever. That is words are not enough for me to say thank you. Words are not enough for me at all to say thank you. Irazuno gagbe egi seme yakpomo o baba. Irarowe o baba ti raje pon me. Esenu me o igazeta wete degbe ugba ore me umare gyo begi agba me usime kegbe o umare ge monsono emi yanari yanya gbona baba rude na ya o give me big o. If I count my blessings and name them one by one, ira weni yes no sae ume ira zeta te degbe. If I should remember the good things that the Lord has done for me, rude na ya o, give me big o. Ugba o reme, umare gyo begi agba me. Usime kegbe o, umare ge monsono. Emi yanagi yanya gbonda babaru de na ya o. Rude na ya o. Give me gwe o. Thank you, everybody. I say, my God, thank you now. The one that take help me, one that take make me. Say, may shame not come. May enemy not laugh. May they not laugh. May they not laugh. Say, we talk and say she go enter us. But God come do one. He don't do one again. In a big way, Jehovah don't do one again. In a big way, he don't do one again. In a big way, Jehovah don't do one again. In a big way. Thank you, everybody. God will bless you now, my subscriber. God will continue to bless you now for me. As you help me, God go grant you now our desire nyafun. God go grant you now our desire for me. Anything one they ask God, one and not fit do, God go do one for me. My people, when I put in for this monetization, the green answer me. I say, God, do hey, our village people have came. Our village people have came. Oh, now I reach when they want to monetize me now. Oh, our village people don't come. Oh, I say, oh God, so make they answer me. I can't wait 1 month. They're not going to answer. I say, that's how I go to check. I go to check. Later, I just remove my bed. I say, maybe our village people. I say, God, pass now. Now I can't wait to 14. I can't see. I don't even know. I say, make I just look my phone. Now I just see message say, congratulations. You are not a fool. You are not a partner. As in a full YouTuber. I said, like, seriously? Are you people kidding me right now? I have to shake and shake and shake again. I'm so happy, my people. I'm so happy. Enemy, una don't shame, oh. Enemy, I'll be monetized. Thank you, everybody. Take care until I come your way next time. I remain your one and only Lady J.O. Bye, everybody. Bye. And my people, I beg. Mona continue to put thumbs up for me. Continue to share my video. Because Ogbonge news, they're going to come our platform here. Thank you, everybody. Take care. Bye.